am testing my hormones. I do this every single morning. We're not trying to get pregnant. I know I've talked about this, but I don't want anyone to think that. I'm just tracking my hormone levels because I did find out through my saliva test that I am high estrogen, and I'll be doing another video on that later. And I will also link my coming off birth control and my how I got my period back videos, because that is a topic that I am super passionate about right now because I am living it. But first thing in the morning, we're going to make the bed, and then I need some coffee. Oh my God. No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I don't really knew that. But...
Thanks. I was wondering if you were gonna put any in mine.
Oh.
I hope our kids get my coordination.
That wasn't me, that was the pot.
I'm just picking on you.
The daily struggle of picking out a comfy outfit to wear to work. Not a day goes by that I am not so grateful for working from home, because I don't have to wear office clothes and heels, which I love heels, but I hated office clothes. So, what do I want to wear today? This is the vibe. This is my oversized Abercrombie hoodie. It's a men's hoodie, and it's oversized for men, and I got a medium. I'm a women's extra small, but this is like the best thing ever. It is so freaking soft. Gonna break in some brand new Aligns today. I got these off of Mercari. Aligns are $98, and I got these for $70, I believe. Brand new with the tag on. Perfect condition. And I am gonna work out later today, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on a sports bra. We're just gonna go with a black Lululemon Flow Y. I just noticed a little black mark on my sleeve. Every time I wear this thing, I get it dirty and have to wash it. I don't understand. I don't think I wore this since I washed it, so I don't know what it is. And I just set it down in water, but it's fine. Now I need to wash my face, do my skincare, and I'm going to do a little bit of makeup just because I do have meetings today, and I look deceased. I think today is also going to be a slick back day because my hair needs to be washed. And my skincare lately has been the same every single morning. I go in with this Paula's Choice Vitamin C Serum, and then I have this Yerba Mate Wake Up Gel. My skin's feeling a little dry, so when it does, I got this Trilogy Rose Hip Oil in a Christmas advent calendar, but I love to mix it with my lotion. I'm just using the classic CeraVe moisturizing cream. We've had this tub for such a long time. It's so affordable, and this is honestly just a really great moisturizer. I've tried a lot of other moisturizers, including the First Aid Beauty one. I did not like the First Aid Beauty one. It just didn't do anything for me, and it was really pricey. I think this one is perfect. It keeps my skin moisturized all the way. Oh, I forgot. So I mix in like 2 to 3 drops of this rose oil in with the lotion. I'm also trying to be very cognizant, I don't know what the word is, putting skincare on my neck, because I'm getting tech neck so bad. I have lines on my neck and it just looks really old. So whenever I focus on my neck too, I notice that they've gotten a lot better in the past few months, which is good. I just love adding that rose hip oil to my lotion whenever my skin's dry because it keeps it nice and moisturized and plump. It gives it a nice glow for most of the day. I got these again, but I really want to use them again. It's the Versed Luminizing Glow Drops, and I just use like 2 of them. And I have the darker shade. There's like sheer golden and sheer bronzed, and I have sheer bronze. And I'm actually today, I believe, so whenever you see this, like a few days ago, posting a video on my TikTok comparing the Drunk Elephant D Bronzy Drops and the Versed Luminizing Glow Drops, because these are like half the price for the same amount. They're both 1 fluid ounce. I just wear the Kosas concealer. I'm obsessed with Kosas concealer. I'm going to put that over any little spots. I have this random bump on my neck, and it's not a pimple. I've tried to get rid of it with like pimple patches, trying to squeeze it, like nothing works. I don't know what the heck it is. So I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer, like on the high points of my face. And then I have a lighter than my skin shade, and I use that for under my eyes. My acne's gotten so much better post birth control. Like, it's finally in the stage of not being all over my face like it used to be, which is so refreshing and so relieving. Just hoping it stays this way. I'm 1 year and 2 months post birth control. And then I got this Say liquid blush. This stuff is incredible. I was gonna get the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez because everyone and their moms has that one. But then I saw that this one was actually clean, whereas the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez is not considered clean, like at Sephora. This one is literally half the price. And this is in the shade Chili. And then brows, I'm using the e.l.f. Brow Lift. This stuff is absolutely incredible. It is viral, so it's really hard to find. You can order it on Target.com usually, but it's hard to find in stores. It's only $6 for this whole tube, but it's gonna last me for forever because you need just a little bit. And I did get the brush that comes with it. And so you just like brush it on your eyebrows with a spoolie, kind of comb it through. I'm kind of going up and out. I don't want to go straight up, and I don't want to go like out. I also always wear a little eyeshadow wing, so I take dark brown eyeshadow and an angled brush and just kind of flick a little bit. And mascara, I'm using the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I'm all ready. The last step is to slick my hair back. I thought I was going to maybe do an oil mask, but I don't really want to. I just want to slick it back. So, part it right down the middle. Okay, take it back. We're going to do a little bit of an oil mask, but not a lot. So I'm using jojoba oil and argan oil. Split my hair into 2 sections just so I can evenly spread it. I don't want to put too much on here, mainly because I don't want to get it on my hoodie. That much. I'm just going to kind of spread it throughout my hair. Okay, and same with the argan. And then I like to put castor oil on my roots only, because this stuff is extremely sticky. I have a dropper of it, and I'm just going to apply it like that. And I have this little scalp massager from Amazon. It is the Tangle Teaser brand. I'm just going to massage my scalp. Make sure I really get that oil in there. I love doing oil masks like this whenever I'm going to slick my hair back when it's dirty anyways, because it's a good way to get in a good oil mask for your hair, but you can still style it and wear it like that all day. I'm going to just brush that out. I'm going to pull it up into a low pony because I'm going to keep it in a bun since there is oil all throughout it. I'm going to tie it off with a gentle hairband first, and then twist it around. And I always use one of these like telephone cord ones to hold the twist in. So there you go.